Hello, hello, hello. Guys, come meal prep with me today. I decided this week I want to start meal prepping at least 3 to 4 days a week. So for the next 3 days, I'm going to be meal prepping salads. I'm going to get some tomatoes, these avocados, some lime because I may want to make a little guacamole. Then I'm going to pick up a couple of bell peppers. I see the red, orange, yellow, and green, and just decided on getting a 4 pack of those. I like to use the other ones, the yellow, orange, and red for color most of the time. Now, here are the regular cucumbers and the English cucumbers. I prefer the English seedless cucumbers. They're more crisp and I love the taste of those. Here we have some pea pods that I plan on doing a stir fry with later on in the week. And then here I just want to show you guys. This is green leaf lettuce. I like green leaf lettuce, but I do not like when it is not fresh. Like if you see here, when I take it and I shake it, you see how those leaves just are limp already ready for the garbage. Who wants a limp lettuce in their salad? Nobody. So therefore, I had to decide to go ahead with the romaine lettuce. I really prefer green leaf lettuce, but the romaine lettuce is all I have to choose from today. I'll stop tomorrow and probably go to another store to get that green leaf lettuce. If you see here how firm that is when you shake it, that lettuce is ready. So now I am ready to meal prep. I just start with making sure that I rinse my lettuce really well. I take each leaf at a time to make sure I wash off all that dirt within the center and the outer leaf of the lettuce. And I'm going to have some mini cucumbers. I'm not using my English cucumbers for this salad prep. I'm using mini cucumbers. They're so tender and crisp. I really like the mini cucumbers. They really remind me of my parents taking me to the farms when I was little so that we could go there and pick our vegetables. Okay, so here I have the Roma tomato. I prefer Roma tomatoes, if not cherry tomatoes, in my salad. And here are my black olives. I love black olives in my salad. So I'm going to add those, open them up, rinse them off. And then I'm going to add blueberries. I chose blueberries. Sometimes I use strawberries. I try to use fruit instead of a bunch of dressing. I try to kind of balance that out so that I won't need so much dressing when I make my salads. And here I'm going to use my salad spinner to dry my lettuce. I don't like wet lettuce, especially in my meal prep, so I use my salad spinner to dry my lettuce so that it'll stay nice and crisp. Okay, I'm going to press the button to stop it, and then I'm going to show you how the lettuce comes out perfectly dry. And here's how much water actually drained off of the lettuce. So now I'm going to take 4 of my meal prep containers because I want to make about 4 salads to last me until Wednesday. I try to do a 3-day meal prep so everything will stay nice and fresh. But maybe one day I may have 2 salads instead of one. So here I prepare my lettuce first. And I'm going to take those mini cucumbers that I washed and I'm going to just slice those up all around each salad. I use about a half of mini cucumber for each salad that I prepare. And now I'm going to grab a handful of black olives to add to each one of my salads. I thought about slicing them, but I'm like, I probably would put 2 or 3 slices in my mouth at a time anyway, so I just left them whole. And now I'm adding my Roma tomatoes. I've sliced those, so I'm going to add that. Okay, so now I have my blueberries. I'm going to drop a couple of those in each one of the salads. I like this to substitute for some of the dressing that I use, so I won't use so much dressing. Okay, so everything's looking pretty good. Okay, so now we're gonna season that right on up with some Miss Mary's salt-free all-purpose seasoning. Alrighty, now these are ready to go. I'm just gonna put the tops on and sit them inside of the refrigerator so that they will be ready to snatch and go. Oh, and I want to add that I normally don't add my almonds artificial bacon bits or croutons until I'm ready to eat. If y'all like this video, go ahead and leave me a comment, like the video, and share and subscribe.